Ay, dyan, dali. Isawsaw nyo dito. Okay.
Wow!
Dali. Sausaw nyo na yan.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Toothbrush naman siya, eh. Ito naman.
Ano mo, James?
James, dugyot na James.
Ang lasa, ang lasa?
May bago dito.
Mayonnaise.
Haluin lang natin kasi masarap daw tayo.